You are well trained. Don't flatter yourself. I've got nothing much to say. Is that all?
Sometimes I need to remember just to breathe. Sometimes I need you to stay away from me.
Great! I'll leave it to you!
In disbelief, I didn't know. Somehow I need you to go.
Yes, that's it. A very good move. This much is easy, isn't it? A little more. We're not there yet.
Nice pass. That's too easy.
I'll be counting on you next time.
Hey, I can do this too.
Yahoo! Good, good!
This will help the Foxes.
Great!
This will help the Foxes.
Easy.
A very good move. Not a little. Yes, that's it.
These thoughts and the pain attached to them. Sometimes I wonder why this is happening. It's like nothing I can do to distract me when I think of how I shot myself in the back again. Cause from the infinite words I can say, I put all the pain you gave to me on display. I didn't realize instead of setting it free, I took what I hated and made it.
When will you stop blaming yourself?
And we know I'm places now.
When will you stop blaming yourself?
Hearing your name, the memories come back again. I remember when it started happening. Every thought I had, and then the thoughts slowly found words attached to them. And I knew as they escaped away, I was committing myself to them. And every day I regret saying those things. And now I see that I took what I hated and made it.
That's awesome!